Hi guys, welcome to my another vlog. How are you all doing? We are doing fine by the grace of God. So guys, today the weather was very pleasant. It was very beautiful. As you can see, the weather in Karachi, this kind of weather is very rare in Karachi. So today the weather was very good, so we planned to go for a long drive, and we also decided to have our morning breakfast out. So let's see where we go to have breakfast. But now you just enjoy the beautiful weather. As you can see that all the greenery around you, the trees, everything, the roads look so beautiful, the sky looks so beautiful. And it was drizzling at that time when we started moving out. And while driving, it was great fun sitting in the car and enjoying this beautiful weather out here. And it was so beautiful. The sky looks so beautiful. So we decided to go to Sea View because in Karachi there's only one spot where you'll find a lot of people going there, and that's Sea View. There the weather, the beach, it looks so beautiful when it's rainy weather, when it's cloudy. It looks very beautiful. So our favorite destination here in Karachi is Sea View. So when it's rainy weather, so my husband, we make it a point of going to Sea View. So there we'll find something, a spot where we can have our breakfast. So guys, here we are come to a restaurant called Cafe Clifton. So here we ordered halwa puri and tea. The halwa puri is very tasty, well known. So after having our breakfast, so then we started moving, and the weather was looking very beautiful. So my husband just thought of going for a long drive. So we were going for a long drive, so we decided to go to DHA phase 8. That's too, it's too far, and in this way we'll enjoy the beautiful weather and the long drive. And it was early morning, it was somewhere around at 10:30, and the weather was looking so beautiful, the sky was looking very beautiful. So we thought of going there, and we will show you everything, the view and everything. For this you need to watch this video till the end, and you will see all different spots. So today we are also going to take you to a very beautiful spot that we're going to reveal you once when we reach to that destination, to the spot, and then you yourself will feel that this is very beautiful, and then you all definitely will make it a point of visiting that point, that spot, that destination where we will be showing you soon in this video. So for this you need to stay with us and enjoy the drive, enjoy the music. So guys, we reached here to DHA phase 8. So now we are come to Greek Club. Here you can see Greek Club. It's at DHA phase 8. Then just next to it you will find Ramada Hotel. Ramada Hotel is one of the most expensive hotel here in Karachi, and it's a very beautiful hotel. The rooms are very beautiful, and they have a very good high tea here in the hotel. They serve very delicious items for the high tea. So now we are moving further. So very soon we are going to take you to a very beautiful spot which I was talking about. It's a very beautiful spot. It's basically it's a small spot near Khalid Shahid Park, which is really a parking area, but it looked very beautiful during that rainy morning. So we decided to stop here for a few moments for some photos and videos to capture the moment. So now after stopping here, so now we will be taking you to a very beautiful spot which you all will like it. As you can see, the weather is so beautiful, it's so good. So now we will be most probably taking a turn. There'll be a lane coming inside. So this is the spot that I was talking about. It was so nice as the heavy clouds and drizzling turned this into a memorable spot for those few magical moments. So we took some photos of Arthur to see the water in the creek. We made some videos of his. As you can see the spot, it looks very beautiful, and you can see the cloud. It looks so beautiful. I never seen such a beautiful place. This is the first time that I'm visiting this place, so I thought of capturing this moment for you guys, so that in future if you guys intend to visit this place, so you can easily come here. Basically it is located at DHA phase 8. It's near Khalid Shahid Park, and you'll easily find it, and it's such a beautiful place. As you can see the weather, it's looking so beautiful. I can't tell you in words how beautiful it was looking. So you can see my son Arthur, he's running around, he's enjoying this place because he's come here for the first time, and we have witnessed this place for the first time, and we were so shocked to see that Karachi can be so beautiful. Maybe it was looking beautiful because that day it was a rainy weather and it was drizzling, it was little raining, and the weather was looking so pleasant, so beautiful. Everything was looking so as if it's a dream come true when you're visiting to such beautiful place. So after some time we just intend to leave from there. So now we are moving further. So we are enjoying the drive, so you guys enjoy the drive, and also the weather, because the weather looks very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful, and we were enjoying the weather as well as the long drive. And we are going to show you everything of DHA phase 8, so you have to stay with us. guys, so another spot is the jumping castle, which is one of the most biggest castle they have here in Karachi. And there are a lot of people, they bring their children here and they enjoy themselves a lot. So you guys should also bring your children here to jumping castle in DHA phase 8. It's located, and it's a very good place, especially for the kids, and they will enjoy this place because this is one of the biggest jumping castle which is basically opened here in Karachi. And it's a very good place for children, so you all should definitely make it a point of bringing your kids to this place. So guys, it started raining fast and it's looking so beautiful, and we were enjoying this rain. It was looking very beautiful. The roads were looking very nice. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.